5 messages that an ex-boyfriend who wants to return to your life usually sends. If your ex-boyfriend wrote to you again and so far you don't understand what he proposes himself, these 5 messages can reveal if what he wants is to return. Do you want to know if he tries to ask for a second chance? Here we tell you what a man usually writes when he intends to return to your life. 1. I need you to give me back. It is normal that despite the breakup both have been left with some belonging of the other person, which is unusual, but he happens to ask you to return it. Maybe he just wants to see you again and he can't tell you directly. 2. I remembered you. Yes, we all have vague memories of our former partners, and not because of that we remember them with daily messages. If he remembers you and tells you, it is clear, he wants you to keep him in mind, and awaits your response. 3. I still miss you. Accept it, the reason why this message is written and sent is with the illusion of wanting to receive a "me too" in return. Which means he expects to get more from you than a hello. 4. I will always love you. It is a direct message that aims to insert in your mind the idea of, what if it works now? 5. How have you been? Everything is going well in your life until you receive a "how have you been?" from your ex-boyfriend who removes all the past you had already buried. Does it sound like you? Surely yes. It is very likely that apart from wanting to start a conversation with you again, also looks for the opportunity to tell everything he still feels for you. Finally, it is the decision of each one to allow their ex-boyfriend to return to their life, as for others it is intolerable to have contact with people from the past. What do you think? Learn why men lose interest. Click or tap the link on or below this video to download this free ebook.